Hello and welcome to Dusseldorf, Germany. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm on board the all-new Sirena 78. This is the third 78 that Sirena has built, and this boat has the open flybridge arrangement. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough tour. If you have any questions, feel free to call me directly. All right, here we are outside the Sirena 78. She's a big boat on the water, but even bigger here in the convention center at the Dusseldorf Boat Show. It's got quite the display here from Sirena Yachts. So starting on the swim platform, we have the hydraulic lowering platform here, which is standard. Put a very nice sized tender back here. And then one of my favorite little features is this articulating steps here. First things first, we'll head into the crew area. Coming down below to port, we have an over-under style berth here for 2 crew. Some nice storage. We've got a washer dryer combo unit down here. And then the captain's quarters to starboard. Got some storage here. Nice big hanging locker. And you go through the crew head to the engine room. Go in the corner here to show you. Laid out really nicely, a lot of space down here, as is the case on the other Sirena models that you've seen us walk through. This is a European boat. It's going to stay over here in the Med. So 1 generator, the air conditioning units on top, and you can see some empty space over here. In the US, we do a second generator over there, and of course the MAN diesel engines. We've got a mechanical space back here, and you see the water maker down here. Systems, chargers, inverters. Really nicely lit area down here. We do have the ladder up to the aft cockpit for access to the engine room in rough weather. Cockpit shower. Just a beautiful aft cockpit with stairs up to the flybridge. Got big storage lockers here, port and starboard. I'm personally a huge fan of the gray caulking and the teak. It makes the boat look so modern. Speaking of modern, we've got our really amazing, the great part about this 78 with the flybridge set up the way it is this whole area is just wide open. We do have the lower helm here because we have the open flybridge, but this looks like your living room at home. And center island style galley keeps the boat very open without losing really any storage. We've got great storage down below here. Beautiful big American style refrigerator. Oven. 4-burner cooktop. Big double basin. Stainless steel fridge. I mean, this is a true galley. Dishwasher, and then our connected dining area here. As I mentioned, we do have the lower helm here. If you do the semi-enclosed or the enclosed bridge option, you can do away with this because you'll have a weather protected helm up there. This one has the open flybridge. think in the US that semi-enclosed and fully enclosed is going to be the most popular arrangement, but to each their own. For the warmer climates down south, maybe not so much. We've got our nicely laid out breaker panel here, Garmin touchscreen electronics, and in a lot of these we've got the bow and stern thruster. We do have the Aventix joystick. It is not a IPS boat or pod boat, just direct drives. We'll head up to the fly bridge next, and on the way, show you the wine cooler. Isotherm fridge here for the cockpit. Nice big sun deck here aft. What an incredible space. When we look out at the other boats here in Dusseldorf, and this fly bridge is bigger than most of the main decks. And you look and you've got, I don't know who these guys are, but you got some smaller fly bridges on boats of similar sizes, but this thing is humongous. This is the sun deck of a 100+ foot motor yacht. Standard on all these Sirenas, we've got the shower here on the fly bridge, American style barbecue, and just a beautiful open arrangement up here that this owner's gone for. And our fly bridge helm station, and there's a really beautiful little day galley up here with a sink. See the filler piece here. Ice maker, isotherm fridge, and plenty of storage. There's just excellent storage on this 78. And looking aft, you get a really nice view here. On this furniture piece, we do have a TV that pops out here. Can't think of a better place to watch a football game. And we'll head forward. Huge wide side decks. I was walking down these the other day and a couple was walking the other way and we just walked right past each other. There's, really wide and open. You can have two people pass each other on these side decks. Feels very safe. It's a beautiful area here forward. And our windlass. Really deep anchor locker, fender storage. We've got the seat backs that lay all the way flat, which gives you really nice visibility from the helm. Storage lockers with gas struts, and we've got the two sort of coffee table port and starboard here. If it's not too breezy, that's a wonderful place to have your sundowner. We saw it sort of from the outside, but it hides in there, but we do have the side access door to starboard just after the helm. And moving down below to the accommodations, we come right into the master. Full beam master here, which is the standard arrangement on all of the Sirenas. And just really, really great space. Modern decor. Got your safe. So we have sink, and the his and hers bathroom arrangement. So I'm going to walk through the shower into the other head. Give you a look at that. So this is an option to have your his and hers heads like that. Lose a little bit of hanging locker space as a trade-off, but definitely the way I would go. It's great to have those two heads. This is your day head here with shower. Accessed here with the twin cabin to starboard, twin cabin to port, each with their own full head with shower, and forward and up into the VIP. You might even consider this to be your master. It is a really cool having your headboard be the water right outside your window. This is a pretty special room here. Go forward and look aft here, get a really nice view of it. Hanging lockers here, closet, and of course a full head. So we've got 4 staterooms, each with their own full head. The crew quarters sleeps 3 with this arrangement, and they have their own head as well. So a lot of space for a 78. And really this area is what sets this boat apart in my mind. And we'll give you a view of that. Of course, these are all optional arrangements. Really, especially with the semi-enclosed helm or enclosed helm, you don't even have this space here, so you can do with this main deck area whatever you like. This island galley is my favorite though. I mean, I've been on a lot of boats here at Dusseldorf and over the last few boat shows, and this is pretty special, pretty amazing arrangement here. Thank you for watching this walkthrough tour on the Sirena 78. If you have any questions about the Sirena 78 or any other Sirena model, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is right below the video.